Hello everyone. Today let us discuss on lookup function. So here I have some data, employee ID, first name, last name and phone number. If you see over here you can't see each column clearly. So for that I will tell you a shortcut to how to make columns visible. Okay. So first select whatever you want to see, then Alt H O and I, it will auto fit the columns. It will auto fit the column width. See, now you can clearly identify the columns. Okay, it has a sufficient space. Now moving to our lookup function. So lookup function will ask lookup value. So let us take the lookup value and lookup vector. So where do you want to see the data? Okay, and result vector. So now you have to give the, I want to extract the phone number of the employee IDs. Okay, so I'm taking the phone number. Why am I getting NA? Because I did not enter any value. So let me take a value. If you see, the data is not coming correctly. So the reason is, whenever we use lookup function, that will display the data for the maximum value. In order to avoid that, we should sort the data first, then only it will work. This is the disadvantage or pitfall while using the lookup. So here I am sorting the data using employee ID from smallest to largest. So another tip here, to sort the data, click on Alt D S. This is the shortcut to display the sort option. So here you can see employee ID, cell values, um, sorting it smallest to largest. Click on OK. So now if you see, I want the data for 101. If you see 515 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's type 106 and see if the data is correct or not. 594.23. Okay. Now what I'm searching, I'm giving employee ID and I need phone number, right? This is the result vector. So just, this is not clear, so just apply the technique which I mentioned earlier, Alt H O I. So now this is visible. So let's take some random data. Now apply the function till the down and see whether we got the correct data or not. So this is for 113. 113 employee ID has the phone number as 51512445667. So this is about lookup function and a few shortcuts included in this video. And watch my videos for few more interesting topics, interesting functions in Excel, and you will get very good information which are very useful in our day-to-day working. Thank you for watching this video. We'll catch you up in the next video. Thank you.